Here we have our 2004 Chevy Avalanche. Let's pop the hood and work on replacing our AC condenser. By removing anything AC wise, we need to recover our Freon. Luckily we have an AC recovery machine. Link will be in the description below. If you don't have access to a recovery machine, have a local shop recover your Freon. This is bad for the environment and you don't want to let it out into the atmosphere. First I open my Freon tank valve. Then I press the recover option. This will allow the machine to do its thing and recover. Now it's time to remove my hoses. Always make sure your gauges are reading 0. No pressure is a good thing. Freon is dangerous and can cause frostbite. After removing the front clips, we can then remove our front grille. Now let's work on removing our front support brace. To free this up, we need to remove multiple bolts along the way. Let's also remove our hood latch while we're at it. Alright, we finally got it free. Now let's work on removing our condenser. Let's carefully remove the AC lines. This will help free up any tension on the condenser. To avoid any moisture getting in our lines, let's plug it up with some earplugs. In order to remove the upper line, we need to use an e-Torx. Links will be in the description below. Finally, our condenser is free. Here's our brand new condenser made by 4 Seasons. Link will be in the description below. Anytime we replace a vital component of the AC system, we need to refill it with oil. I fill my condenser with 2 ounces of PAG oil. The Avalanche's total system takes 8 ounces. Always measure how much oil comes out of the component you're replacing. I did this off camera. It's also important to replace all the O-rings in your system. Now let's carefully insert our new condenser. Then we start by reversing our removal process. Let's insert our lines and reinstall all of our bolts. Finally, our condenser is installed. Now it's time to hook up our hoses, vacuum our lines for 15 minutes, and make sure that we have no leaks. Then it's time to recharge our system. Now let's start our truck and check our temperatures. Outside is 86 degrees, but the truck is blowing 59.5. That's cold and a job well done.